Boys and girls watching, it is phonics review time, and we are going to have fun at the ballpark today. Do you see up here I have some words, and we have some fun things right here, and I'm going to need some teams today to work hard. Who's going to work hard today? Give me a great big smile. Good job. Give me a wink. You got it. Class, stand. Let's work with our vowels first. Remember, some are long vowels and some are the short vowels, so let's work together. Begin. E, go E. A, acorn, A. Ooh, what about this one? U, uniform, U. Umbrella, O, open, O. Great job. Sit down. Let's see. Table 1, stand. Let's see if you can do them. Begin. Ostrich. Eagle. Good job. Sit down. Table 3, stand.
Acorn. Uniform. U.
You did it. Table 2, and boys and girls watching, stand.
Ice cream.
Everybody give yourselves a silent cheer. You did it. That was hard work. Class, stand and get out your vowels. Here we go. Apple. I think you did a great job. Give yourselves high fives. Nice work. You may be seated. Well, let's see. Remember when we say to do a high five, does high fives make any noises besides this? Nope. Class, stand. Let's try it again. You did a great job. Give yourselves a high five. That was much better. You may be seated. So let's see if we can work on our chart right here. If it has a smiley face, that means it says his sound. And if it has a stick, it says his name. Boys, stand. Boys, begin. A.
E.
You did it. Good job. Show me your muscles, boys. Nice. You may be seated. Girls, stand. Girls watching, join us. Begin. U. What is that one? If I had to give points, I think I'd give the boys a point for that one. In fact, I think I will. Let's see. G for girls and B for boys, but that time the boys did a little bit better than those girls. Boys, pat yourselves on the back. Girls, you did a good job, but the boys get a point for that one. I like that hard work. Let's see if you could tell me the one vowel rule. Let me see. Kayla, stand. Kayla and the girls watching, will you tell me the one vowel rule? Kayla, come to the front of your table, use the megaphone, and tell us the one vowel rule. Tell your friends. That way. When there is
one vowel in a word, we send it short sound and we mark it with a spine.
Tell her hip hip hooray.
Hooray!
Nice job, Kayla. Class, stand, let's say it with them. When there is one
vowel in a word that usually sends a short sound and we mark it with a smile.
Whoa, you're getting so good. High fives. Nice. You may be seated. How about the two vowel rule? Who could tell me the two vowel rule? This is really hard. Carter, come to the front of your table. Tell me the two-vowel rule. Boys watching, you join him.
When there's two vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound, the second one is silent.
Whoa, tell them hip, hip, hooray.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Nice work, Carter. Class, stand, let's say it together. When there is two vowels
In a word,
the
first one says it's long sound, and the second one is silent.
Ooh, that didn't sound very silent to me. Let's try that again. When there is two vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound, and the second one is... There you go. That sounded better. You may be seated. So here we go. Here's where the teams come in. Are you ready? I need helpers. So you're going to come to the front of your table. Here are the teams. So here we go. I am going to change now. It's going to be table 1, table 2, and table 3 are the teams. So when I blow my whistle, we're going to start with the very first person. Are you ready? When I blow my whistle, you have to read that word. Boys and girls watching, you're on the teams too. So you see if you can beat your friends here in our classroom. So we're going to find out who can read that word first. When you read that word first, you get to come and take this fun thing that's right here. You could have a basketball or a jersey or a soccer ball or a football or baseball. We'll find out what you're going to get. Are you ready? Let's look at the very first word. Is it a one vowel or a two vowel?
One vowel.
How am I going to mark it? With a
Smile.
All right, here we go. Jonathan, go to the front of your table. Mila's at the front of your table. Grab your megaphone. And Lucia, grab your megaphone. Are you ready? When I blow my whistle, whoever says it first gets the fun thing. Here we go. And the point. Everybody be reading that word, because if they get it wrong, you might get to be the next person up. Are you ready? All right, it was Jonathan. Jonathan, come get the fun thing. And a point for table 3. Good job. All right, give it to the next person. The next person, come on up. So Cyrus is the next person, and Joseph is the next person, and Catherine is the next. So it goes right to the next person at your table. Joseph is the next person, Sweet Pea, okay? It'll be your turn in a little bit. All right, let's look at the next one. Is it a one or a two vowel?
Two vowels.
How do I mark it? The first one gets a?
Six.
And the second one we?
Cross it out.
I like seeing that cross. Good job. You crossed it out, or that X, I mean. All right, here we go. Read it in your brain. Remember, everybody read it, because if they don't get it right, I might pick you. Lucia, read it. You might get to go again sometime.
Feet.
It was table 3 again. Table 1 and table 2, you're going to let them beat us? All right. Okay, come on. Give it to the next person and come get your jersey. Table 3 gets another point. Okay. Oakley, you get to come to the front of your table. Kayla gets to come. Come on. Don't make me have to say your names. Here we go. Joseph, give it to Elijah. Let's go. All right. This one right here. All right. Let's look at the next one. Tell me consonant or vowel.
Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant.
Yes, so how am I going to mark the vowel? With a?
Smile.
With a smile. Everybody read it. Boys and girls watching, read it in your brain.
Back.
You got it. Elijah got it. But the word is back. Let's read it all together. Back, back. Good job. All right, put it down. The next players come. Angelia, that's your turn. Go ahead and get your fun thing. Where did it go? Who took it? No. Oh, Jonathan, you took the wrong one from that one. Here, bring me that one. That's what happened. You have to take the one that goes with your word. Here you go. That's the one that goes with your word. Sorry. There you go. All right, here we go. Next one. How many vowels?
One.
Oh, I can tell we're not watching. Lauren, are you watching? Boys and girls watching? I can tell you're watching. Tell me how many. Yes, 2. Boys and girls watching, what am I going to do to the first one? Yes, I'm going to put a line over it. What, boys and girls watching, what am I going to do to the second one? Yes, excellent. I'm going to cross it out. Do I need to give them the point? All right, eyes this way. So let's start again. How many vowels are in this word?
2.
2. What do I do to the first one?
Cross it.
I do not. Put a stick over it. And what do I do to the second one?
Cross it out.
If I was giving points to whether it's you guys or the boys and girls watching, the boys and girls watching would get the points. They are working hard. All right, here we go. Look at it right here. Connor, it's your turn, Sweet Pea. Come on. Your turn. Oh, that was a tie this time between Carter and Angelina. It was a tie. So I'm going to give you both a point. So here we go. So point. Okay. All right. Come get this one, Angelina. And Carter, I'll let you go ahead and get something from right there. How about that? Okay. Put your thing back. All right. Connor, go sit down. Lauren, come to the front of your table. Bethany and William, come to the front of your table. Oh, he's going to get a tennis ball. So fun. All right. Here we go. The next word. How many vowels?
1.
Again, you let the boys and girls watching beat you. Maybe I need to put points for the boys and girls watching. All right. Let's see. They got 2 points already. You're right, boys and girls watching. That was 1. Boys and girls watching, how am I going to mark it? Yes, with a smile. Tell me consonant or vowel.
Consonant, vowel, consonant.
So how many vowels?
1.
How am I going to mark it?
With a smile.
Okay, I hope the next time you don't let them get your points. They're winning. Here we go. Are you ready? Table 2. She got it. Good job. Come and get your football. Put it down. The next people come up. Don't make me wait for you. Let's go. Table 2 got that point. Who's the next ones? Let's go. Good job. Thank you, Kyla. She was ready to go. Joanna, it's your turn. Let's go. All right. Look at this one right here. Tell me consonant or vowel.
Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant.
How am I going to mark the first vowel? With a
stick.
Second one I'm going to?
Cross it out.
All right. Read it in your brain. Here we go.
Team.
It was team. Let's read it with them. T-T, team.
Team.
All right, Kyla, you got a point finally on the board for your table 1. Way to go. All right, so come get your jersey. Okay, Lucia, it's back to you. Come on. Come on, Mila, it's back to you. And Jonathan, it's back to you. All right, here we go, teams. Are you ready? Get your megaphone. Here we go. Tell me consonant or vowel.
Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant.
How am I going to mark this vowel? With a?
Smile.
With a smile, because it's how many vowels are in it?
1.
1. Here we go. All eyes right here.
Walk.
Table 1. Lucia, good job. Come and get it. Oh, they're getting back on the board again. Okay, good job. All right. Joseph, come. Cyrus, come. And Catherine, come. It's your turn. Oakley, it's Catherine's turn. Give it to Catherine, please. All right. Now, let's check real fast. Let's check our points. Here we go. Count. 1, 2. All right. Table 1 has 2 points. Let's count table 2.
1, 2.
Oh, let's count table 3s.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, here we go. All right, Cyrus, can you move all the way over this side? That way we can see. There you go. All right. Look right here. Tell me consonant or vowel.
Consonant, vowel, consonant.
Oh, we better do that again because I heard all kinds of different things. Try again.
Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant.
The first one gets a
Stick.
second one we.
Cross it out.
Good. I'm glad you're with me again, boys and girls watching. Good job, boys and girls. Right here, I mean. And boys and girls watching, thank you. Here we go. Read it in your brain.
Beep. Beep.
That was the boys and girls watching and Catherine. Good job. So point goes to the boys and girls watching and to table 3 again. All right, put your things down. The next people come. And Catherine, come get another fun thing. Oh, you get 2 jerseys this time. Here you go. Good job. All right, Oakley, now it's your turn. Thank you. And Elijah, come quickly. We have 1 more word to go. Here we go. Tell me. Let's see if everybody, Sweet Pea, can you scoot this way for Mrs. Stewart? All the way over. There you go. Okay, tell me consonant or vowel.
Consonant, vowel, vowel,
Ooh, I don't have all my friends because only 2 people are answering and they answered wrong. Boys and girls watching, tell me again. Consonant, yep. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Another point for them. Good job, boys and girls watching. Now let's see if you can do it. Consonant.
Vowel, consonant, vowel.
How many vowels are in this word?
2.
Connor, what am I going to do the first one?
Put a stick.
Yes, he is watching and doing a great job. He could be the next contestant because he's working hard. What am I going to do the second one, Luke? I'm going to cross it out. Good job. All right, read that in your brain.
Back.
It's make. Good job. Elijah, you got the point for your team. Good job. Come and get the basketball. Put your megaphones down. Good job. All right, let's find out how many points. Table 1. Table 1, count your points. Table 1, stand.
1, 2, 3.
All right, table 2, stand. Count your points.
1, 2.
Table 3, stand.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, boys and girls watching, count yours. Ooh, it's a tie between the boys and girls watching and right here. That's pretty good. So table 3, stand up and turn and face your friends. Tell your friends hip, hip, hooray.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Everybody here stand up and our friends watching tell table 3, whoa, way to go.
Whoa, way to go!
Because they were the winners. You may be seated. Now let's see. We have a few minutes. Let's see if we can make some sentences and you could add some points to your team. Let's see. So I see a word right here. I see the word team. Who could give me a sentence with the word team? You get to come to your megaphone and tell us your sentence. Tell me a sentence with the word team in it. Team. Angelina, you've been working really hard back there. When I ask questions, you answer them. So come to your megaphone and tell us a sentence with the word team in it.
My team won.
Her team won. I like that sentence. Come put a point for your table. Good job. Let's see. I see another word here. What is this word right here? Who could tell me what that word was? Jonathan, what was this word?
Nate.
It was Nate. Who could give me a sentence with the word Nate in it? Nate, that's a person's name. How about Connor? Come to your table and give me a sentence about Nate. Say it in the megaphone. What's Nate going to do? Well, what do you like to play? What kind of sports do you like to play?
Basketball.
Okay, so say Nate and something about basketball.
Nate played with basketball.
Nate played with the basketball. Come give a point for your team. Good job. See, that wasn't that hard. Good job. Right here, this is your team. Good job. All right, let's see. We might have time for one more. How about map? Map. Cyrus, come to the front of your table and tell me a nice sentence. Use your megaphone about the word map.
I use the map to find the treasure chest.
Tell your friends. Turn around.
I use the map to find the treasure chest.
I like that. Come put another point for your team. Good job. That was hard work. Way to go. Nice job. Like that sentence. All right, boys and girls watching, I hope you had fun today with our team and playing our game with our 1 and 2 vowel words. You keep working hard as you're reading and learning how to do your best as you read.